The government is going to ban RSS activities from government.
It's not possible. This is the Siddaramaiah and Priyanka Karge. It is I think they pre-plan everything because there is no development in Karnataka. There is no money in treasury. Pauper government, Congress government is the pauper government. So they want to divert the issue. That's why they brought the RSS issue and they decided in the cabinet. They are telling it is BJP regime. No, morning I telephoned Jagdish Shettar also. He told me I have not signed any order. The cabinet was not issued any order in the cabinet also. I am in the cabinet. So I think they want to divert the issue of development. They are using the RSS name. I think it will be not continue. It is another 10 days. Once again, pothole in Bangalore, all over the Karnataka, all are protesting. There is no money, there is no salary. Transport department strike, next contractor strike, next 108 ambulance strike. That will happen. This government, I think in December, major change in December. November, December. It's 100% the government will fall or new CM.